Welcome to SmartCoin, everyone. Everyone talks about Bitcoin, but it's not the only coin that could explode in 2025. Here are 3 crypto coins worth watching that could deliver massive gains, and they're not just hype. First up, Ethereum. With the full rollout of Ethereum 2.0, it's more scalable and eco-friendly than ever. Still the backbone of DeFi and NFTs. Second, Solana. Known for lightning-fast transactions and low fees, it's attracting developers and investors alike. Solana could dominate real-world blockchain apps in 2025. Third, Chainlink. It powers secure connections between smart contracts and real-world data. As more institutions adopt DeFi, Chainlink becomes the critical infrastructure. These aren't meme coins. They're real technology with real traction. Subscribe to SmartCoin Daily for more smart moves in crypto, and check the links below to start investing today.